Hello everyone, this project demonstrates an under-damped RLC circuit using MATLAB Simulink with Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi and a MOSFET switch in the circuit. The circuit consists of a resistor, inductor, capacitor, MOSFET, and a battery supply and Arduino controller connected together as a series RLC circuit. The Arduino controls the MOSFET through pin 9 using a pulse signal generated from Simulink, while the capacitor voltage is measured through analog pin A0 and sent back to Simulink for monitoring. MOSFET acts as an electronic switch to repeatedly charge and discharge the RLC circuit according to the pulse signal. During charging and discharging, energy transfers between the inductor magnetic field and capacitor electric field. Right now, I already connected the Arduino with Simulink and battery is attached already, so the circuit is powered up. The pulse generator is configured with an amplitude of 1, period of 2 seconds, and pulse width of 50%. This allows the MOSFET to switch the RLC circuit on and off periodically to generate the transient response. And the sampling time for the Arduino blocks and solver is set to 0.01 second or 10 milliseconds to ensure the Arduino can capture the oscillating waveform accurately during the real-time operation. And the analog input block reads the capacitor voltage through pin A0, and the gain block converts the ADC reading into actual voltage values before displaying the waveform on the scope. That's why RLC circuit shows under-damped response, because energy oscillates between inductor and capacitor before settling, and this creates overshoot and undershoot in the waveform. But the real waveform is slightly different from simulation due to practical effects such as resistance, component tolerance, battery variation, and measurement noise. However, this project successfully demonstrates the transient behavior of an under-damped RLC circuit using both simulation and circuit design. Thank you so much.